Someone, someone who smells so good, so good, so good, so good. Someone who smells so
Hi Mnas.
Hi, unjani?
Ngiyaphila inkosi njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila mna.
Sithatha nabani?
You are speaking with Uphiwa Rudo,
From?
Zimbabwe, but I'm based here in Gqeberha.
Where can we find you?
You can find me on Instagram, Facebook,
It's about to go down.
everywhere actually, except your house. Yeah, boy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hello.
Who the hell are you? How are you?
I am Onyx. I am rolling on the highest level.
Filing it on the highest part, please. Ellington. Hola. Captain kakhulu wena lakuncane sho. Hi Mnas.
Hi,
Unjani?
Taphile njani?
Sharp nam. Sithatha nabani?
Thela nomoya yakhe
Okay, umoya wakho wapi?
waseBhayi.
Likhuyibhayi okanye ufuna ukwazi uba wapi?
As long as niyazi uba ndiwalove violence.
Dumela ngwana gagwe. So, khona ngiphilile futhi.
Siyaphila phula kunjani?
Uthi wami usivukile manje. Mina bana.
Mina usilise ujako.
Now ngiyafumana on Izibele_T on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Threads, everywhere. You'll find me. If you search Izibele_T, you'll find me.
Dumela ngwana gagwe. Who the hell are you? Igama lami ngulwazi umthembu and ngidime apha nabani?
Usibongile.
Usibongile wapho wenza ntoni?
Usibongile uTsoni waseNew Brighton, hlala eNew Brighton. Usibongile uyacula, musician. Also ndidlala noWat.
Okay. So he handles
All my handles are at Piwarudo, which is PIWARUDO.
inspired of feet.
Okay, so basically what inspired my outfit is my mom. Uyabona ne? Umuntu othanda ukugqoka izinto ezimnandi, like stylish. So basically from head to toe nguye lo. Uthanda uthi ndibe njenge lady yabona ndingekho scruff. So umama wami through and through.
That's right. I said it. Somebody's gotta say it.
Take us through to the impahla show, to the
I feel like I need my bag real quick. 'Cause that was part of the fit. It's right there.
grab the lokushana show. Grab the lokushana. Hey. Okay, they want my bag. Take us through.
Thank you. Okay, so hi guys. So my little.
Hi guys.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is an outfit of the day. Okay, so we have some baggy nice baggy waggies, some little bangles. This is actually a skirt that I made into a top, and then jeans, right?
Hey, the baggiest. It's the kuzu. Which one is this one now? Hey, it's not the normal one.
You must know. So yeah, guys, this outfit is me, and then this is from. I don't want to say where this is from because Free Palestine.
Your outfit.
Yeah, I call inspiration here. It's just a simple fit. Just wanted to be told I'm flattering. Yellow and white, you can never go wrong.
So if it's namhlanje inspiration lo bekuke team okanye ukhona mawudedele lapho.
Oh yeah. No, we're given a theme. Miss Linda Dark Colors is the band. So that's why.
Oh, waqona uzawudibanisa pha ifeature racist all black. When are you rocking like nice.
I has to.
What inspired the outfit?
I am actually dressed by Sihle Champion tonight. She's a designer from PE, and she has like great clothes. And Nando and Kazayo style sakhe is that she is inspired by Africa, yabo. So Afurukan vibes, yabo. This is exactly what inspired that.
Alright. So usihle singamfumana phi yena i-handles zakhe?
Sihle Champions, she's available on Instagram, she's available on Facebook, as far as I know, on almost all like social media platforms. And umsebenzi wakhe uyawushowcase apha.
Showcase.
Exactly.
Le trip ingaki ithendo yayo show.
inspiration ngayinix manje ukudibanisa impahla kubona naye ba okay no le yangena nale cha akho ndi-deep ngakho
I got deep. It's natural. It's not on you, it's in you. It's within.
inside.
Is also known as Onika. That's my actual name. Onyx is a singer-songwriter. She's a multi-genre artist, hip-hop, a piano, R&B, neo-soul, live music, you name it, I do it. So that's me. If you want to know Onika, I do films. I'm your film girl, creative director, photographer. You name it, I also do it. That's me.
Talent,
So how's the show going so far for you?
I was nervous at first, I don't want to lie. I was freaking out a little bit. But then, once you get into it, then it goes, Exactly. So at the moment, I'm really enjoying the whole show. But most importantly, I like seeing the artists and their elements expressing themselves. It's just so beautiful.
Okay, so from an Jembabu City, Zala Lewe, and the Lazala Kamalesnes. So Funuenza Lando, Ngamtebisa, Indo Entre, Omnumda, Ngamtebisa Magayense, Okanye. Difficult. Utini, what's the story behind?
No, as an African African drums, Uzalwa nayo everything. Akomlunati taught me to play the African drums. As an African, Uzalwa nayo everything. So these steps of Kala, just get a djembe. I started with a djembe. Now zikongas and bongos.
Yaziyela yazijike. Okay, anokho mana masikukumele manukuthi ufumane kaphi yena kwabantu abafuna mhlambi uyobadlalela ama-drum bakudache beatini.
Okay, I'm available with social networks, which is Facebook, Silly Siwachako, Instagram, Silly Siwachako, as well as TikTok, Silly Siwachako.
Kutwam ndibulela ngexesha lakho man. Hlala umhlu nenhliziyo enhle. Ngwanarharhe. Shalebukhe.
The one room bekuki-event ye-all strings attached yabo since inyanga yabantu ababhinqileyo yabo so usong uhlubi uze ne-event edibenise abantu abangabhinqileyo to perform especially abantu abaperforma with strings instruments.
Okay, so I'm basically a vocalist and a songwriter. Yes, that's what I do.
You are available for bookings?
Yes, through and through. You just text me on Instagram or Facebook. Basically where you get me, and I will be available.
Features.
So I've worked with JWK doing on a house song called Nkana. He's from Gauteng. I've worked with Uskari Reeds from Mpumalanga on another Amapiano song called Nkosi Sikelela. I've also worked with BNK from Leweyo on, what's it called? Sing Louder. I'm looking to work with other artists as well as time goes on, and for now that's about the major ones. I can't tell you about the ones in the vault because those are,
Oh, there's the vault.
top secret files. Very soon though, very soon everything is going to be coming out. Expecting good things. Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Lapha namhlanje siphi senza ntoni umuntu ongayaziyo kwaye bengekho apha kamcacisela uba kwenza ngantoni apha siphi.
Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie, you guys missed a big one, eh? You guys missed a big one. On the 30th, I've been saying this to people on my Instagrams as well, but this is on the 30th of today is the 30th of August. Today we had a show, an extraordinary lineup of best females, including myself. I'm not gonna lie, I was there. All Strings Attached 25 hashtag All Strings Attached 25. Yeah, it's about bringing women together who play strings, who enjoy music, who enjoy creating together as well as individually and coming together to showcase their talent. Yeah, that's what All Strings Attached is.
Hola. How did the show? Did you enjoy your performances?
Cool, very much. Oh, very much. Performances basically great. Musicians, the band, team, very much. Yeah.
I think ikhona le niyenzayo emculweni wakho ngoku uperform kobe ngifumana i-goosebumps ujola nyanyana like andithethi le wethu uba mhlawumbi ngiyakhayipha or what but like nyanyana so i-process yorekhoda yakho if you are recording ihamba njani okanye where do you record
ndinengoma entsha isandoriswa ndiyaqala urekhoda bengakarekhodi before ndirekhode with It Sounds Fresh uproducer uta-edgar notamtho yabo the time ndirekhoda i-session ibihambe right but ibihambe right manje bandikhabe ndisithi
umuntu ongayaziyo isound oyenzayo uyibiza ngalo
lesisinqe but kombela yabo
isinqa okanye isinqa
sinqi
isinqa okay
kombela in other words.
Sibongile ufumaneka apha abantu xa befuna like more of your work umculo and what's next singakufumana phi siswa
So usibongile uyafumaneka kwa TikTok ngusibongile Tsoni, ka Facebook ngusibongile Tsoni, kwa Instagram ke anikafumaneka kwangoku. Ingoma umvula ke yona ifumaneka kuzo zonke streaming platforms phumile yona.
okay sabulela ithuba lakho and